Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Lenovo IdeaPad on first boot, beginner guide step by step clearly. Unbox your Lenovo IdeaPad and remove all protective materials. Plug in the power adapter into the laptop and connect it to a power source. Open the laptop lid and press the power button located near the keyboard. Wait for the Lenovo logo to appear on the screen. Once the logo appears, the laptop will start the initial setup process. You will be greeted with a welcome screen that shows the language selection. Choose your preferred language from the list and click Next. Select your region to ensure appropriate settings and click Next again. Connect to a Wi-Fi network by selecting your network from the available options. Enter your Wi-Fi password and click Connect to establish the internet connection. The laptop may take a moment to check for updates. Once the update process is complete, you will proceed to the next setup screen. Sign in with your Microsoft account or choose the option to create a new one. If you prefer, you can also select Offline Account to set up a local account. Follow the prompts to enter your preferred username and password. Choose to customize your preferences for Cortana and other Microsoft services. Your Lenovo IdeaPad may take a few moments to finalize the setup. Once the setup is complete, you will see your desktop with pre-installed applications. Explore the desktop and familiarize yourself with the layout and features. Make sure to check for any additional updates by going to Settings and selecting Update and Security. Your Lenovo IdeaPad is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.